So in this demo right here, I'm going to show you guys the error I was getting when my CPU burned out, and the CPU relayed an error that the DRAM was bad. So I'm doing a quick test bench. Everything is going to go by kind of quick, kind of fast. But basically, this is to show you guys you don't have to waste money buying memory like I did. I ended up buying memory, another power supply, and another board. I'm totally pissed off with AMD over this error and issue. So this is going to be, the first thing I'm demoing is the bad chip first. Okay, so here I'm plugging up the power supply. Okay, I got my power supply on. I'm gonna grab a pencil. Matter of fact, I'll use this toothbrush. Okay. And as you see, the board is lighting up. Everything's on. So I'm gonna hit this button. And this is the error that I'm getting. So I want to make sure everybody can see that. It's saying DRAM. Okay. Over here, I bought a new one. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut this off, make sure the power is cleared out of it, and then I'm gonna swap it. And again, I couldn't get the screen to come on, nothing like that. So I'm gonna swap it and let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Again, here's my new chip here. Okay. All right. So I'll pop this old one out. Okay, here's our new chip. Okay. All right, we got our new chip in. So again, I just want to fire it up quickly as I can to try to see if that error goes away. Okay, I'm going to power it on. Let's see if I can clear the CMOS. So again, you guys can see it's in. And so there's a hard drive there. Okay, we got it on. We're gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on. Let's see what happens and what we get from it. Set this here. Okay. And there it is, right there. It's booting. There it is, right there. And it's booting. TV's on. Well, my monitor is on. People, please do not go down this road. If this thing does this and your 9800 X3D fails, again, your 9800 X3D fails, man, replace it. Don't waste no time. Like, it's going to be hell on wheels for you. All right, and so I'm just going to go ahead and power this off. And so my next video is going to demo me. I'm going to actually put the whole system completely back together and see if we can get the 5090 running again. But again, yeah, terrible error. This is a terrible thing. I'm pissed off with AMD. This really doesn't make sense for their top of the line Ryzen 7 8900 X3D fails in 4 months. Like moderate gaming. You know, only games I played was Bounty Drag Racing, American Truck Simulator, and Helldivers. Like, that's it. And this thing fails like that. And I was blaming the board manufacturer, which, you know, and I actually had my computer custom made by a company. That's why I have the power supply covered. To, you know, send me this thing, and I paid all this money. You know, I'm talking about $6,000 for a system that failed in 4 months. And so, yeah, all over this chip. And then I paid an additional, as you guys see, you know, $400 for the board, probably 200 and something, 2.5 for memory, and like 2 something for a power supply. And then turn around and bought this chip too. So I pretty much have a whole nother system here, you know, if I really wanted to. So this is the error. Like, it's a bad thing. So thank you for watching.